So we are back with the RC construction mine here we got going on. And what we have today is we need to rebuild the wall here that goes up to the hopper. I also had a catastrophic failure with the hopper, and a bunch of dirt came pouring out the side. So we need to pick up the whole hopper, move it, dig all the dirt out of there, put a couple blocks for the wall, put the hopper back, kind of rebuild the ramp a little bit, make it better, a little wider, and then get back to down here and do that wall down there, and we'll be all set. And the reason for this is because these RC machines are somehow way harder to operate than a real one, a real size one. It's insane. I couldn't explain it to you, but I was not good enough to be able to build a good wall with these machines. So this video is going to be with the machines, but I'm going to be helping a little bit too, because I can't do everything with machines. this point, I had to do most of the work by hand, and I couldn't really use the remote control machines, just based off of what needed to be done and how long it would take if I used the machines. So I decided to just go ahead and do it all by hand. I also thought it'd come out much better. It's unfortunate I couldn't use them, because it is fun to see them work and use them and drive them around and operate them. But it did come out very well at the end, doing it by hand, and it felt more sturdy, secure, and overall I think it looked better. But because I did most of the rest of the work by hand, I did speed up the rest of this video, or most of it, just because it is me doing it, so you can just watch me kind of form up the walls and move the dirt around, but you know, quickly, so you're not just watching me place stones, because this did take me a few hours to complete all this. So I sped it up. Hopefully it's not too boring, but check it out. Watch it. It's pretty cool, but I just kind of build the wall, move the dirt, and make it look pretty good. Unfortunately, in a few moments here, the video did cut out, and it did not record the rest of what I did that day, which I finished building the wall up top there. I put all the dirt back to make the ramp, and here is a picture, a few different pictures I took with a very non-clear camera, as you can see. But I wanted you to see the finished product at the end, and here it is. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll get you more videos.